Good afternoon, miss. This is my activity 4 of English. The title is My Possessions. This activity said that I do write a paragraph about your family favorite possessions. In my family, the favorite possession is that we have each other. We have a 5-story house where we all live. We have a store on the first floor. We have the internet with which we can all use it for whatever we need. On my family, we have kids or children in my house. We have family reunions on Sundays, maybe Saturdays. For finally, we have a good economy in my family, and this is my favorite possession in my family. It's this finish. Thank you for listening my activity. Bye.